How to get a QR code for Instagram. First of all, let's open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app is open up on the screen, from the bottom menu, go to your profile page. Here, under your profile, you will see two buttons. Tap on Share Profile button. A new page will appear where you can see your account QR code along your username. At the very top, if you tap on the color button, it will change the QR code color and style. So find and select one that you like, and under the QR code, you will see some options including share profile. If you tap on that, it will open a new pop-up on the screen where you can select the app where you want to share this code. You also have an option to copy the link, and if you want to save it, simply tap on download. And there you go. The QR code has been successfully downloaded. This is how you can get a QR code on your Instagram profile. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.